What's up, guys? All right, it's Sunday morning after yesterday, so I'm just now putting this gun together for the sound control coating. This is the pickup tube. I got the tip adjusted, everything's all tight. I put a air regulator on so I get the proper PSI, and now I'm going to put some soapy water in the bucket and do a quick little test. Get the air compressor outside and fired up, and see how it sprays. Get all the soapy water stuff cleaned through there and make sure the pickup tube works, and that'll be that. Then on to final prep and spray. All right, guys, so everything is all prepped, wiped down, cleaned up, moved it out into the sun a little bit more. That way it'll get a little warmer and hopefully cure a little faster. So next up, I blew some soapy water through the gun, got all the old stuff out of it, cleaned it out, dried it, put it all back together. Now I just got to mix the sound control and spray. So that's it. I'm gonna get that going and let you guys enjoy watching. What's up guys, Nate here. All right, today I'm putting on the second coat of the sound dampening material underneath the box. I don't know if you can tell from the last video, but the first coat was kind of a cluster. My camera died, blah, blah, blah. Whoopsie. The hose, the pickup tube that I was using didn't really work. So that made me use the cup on the gun, which was fine, except it's a pain in the butt. You spray for 2 minutes and then take 2 minutes to fill up the cup. Gonna have to do that again today for the second coat. So just is what it is. Not a big deal, but not the most convenient thing in the world. Yeah, so big difference though. You can see with just one coat, you can probably hear, of course there's a truck going by, but that's a lot more solid than it used to be. Used to be tin can sounding, and like I said, that's a pretty thin coat on that, so it should be significantly better after this. And then I also have a coat for insulation, which is going to help as well and make that even better. Anyway, so I'm going to get to it before it gets too cold and too dark, and put you guys on time lapse and enjoy the show. All right guys, so the second time's much better. First time, so practice. I mean, they tell you to practice. I bought an extra gallon. I didn't practice on this. It was a hassle. Second time, way better. So if you guys do this, waste a little product. Practice a little bit, because it definitely helps. I'll show you what this looks like. I don't know if you can see really well from the angle of the camera and all that, but yeah, pretty well encapsulates everything. I've got some heavy spots, some thin spots. You know, there on the seam is a little heavier, kind of right in there. But the rest is pretty even. Yeah, so that actually wasn't too bad. Fairly easy enough to do, and I think it helps a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Any questions, leave a comment. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, and always appreciate the subscription. Thanks, man. See you guys later.